Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to review the gaming performance on this Redmi Note 3 and I'm using this Atom OS for it. So we'll be doing the test on the two games. One is the PUBG and another is the Call of Duty, because these are the two games which most of you must be playing. So we'll be testing the frame rates at which these two games are playing. So guys, to run PUBG at 60 FPS I am using this app GFX tool. I will give the link for it in the description below. Just open this and select whatever the version of PUBG you are using. Select that and select the resolution. I have kept it default, and you can set the FPS. As you can see here, the FPS you can set it to 60 frames per second. And now you can just accept here and just run the game from here. After you run, then if you exit it, the settings will be default. You don't have to open this app every time. This is the KF mark enable, using which we are going to record the frames. We will be able to see the frames. So first of all we are going to do the test for PUBG. So we'll start PUBG. So as you guys can see here, up there you can see the frame rates. I will just show you the graphics here in the settings. As you can see, the graphics are set to smooth and ultra. Let's see if it runs. I will play TDM. So guys, we are playing the TDM. Let's see.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
It rarely goes over 40 FPS. It is lagging. As you can see, the frame rates are 45, 40. It rarely goes over 50, right? So guys, sometimes it stutters, like when you start the game, when it stutters first, but then it becomes smooth.
First point for the red team.
The gameplay is good, it's smooth enough, so you will be able to play. Sometimes there are lags. As you can see up here, the frame rates, it exceeds over 40 rarely, like 60 FPS. It goes up to 60 FPS rarely. I played in Pixel Experience ROM. There the gameplay was good enough. So as you guys saw that the PUBG runs at almost 30 to 40 FPS is stable. Means it is not stable, but it runs 30 to 40 FPS and it goes rarely up to 60 FPS. So now we are going to play Call of Duty. Let's see this one goes up to how much FPS. I have played it previously. It has gone till 60 FPS. I have played it. I have captured some screenshot when it had gone up to 60 FPS. I'll show you it later. So in this also I'll just show it to you. As you can see here, the graphics quality is low and I'll be playing at high frame rates, that is 60 FPS. Let's see, I will be playing the frontline mode here. Let's start it. So as you guys can see, it is already 56 frames per second and 58. This is really good. Like, Call of Duty is playing. Call of Duty is playing really good. Like, as you can see here, it is constantly more than 50 FPS, 40 to 50, 59. As you can see here, this is really good. Like, this performance is great for this 4-year-old device. Okay, what the fuck is happening? This is really great. Call of Duty runs really great on this device. It's very nice to run this great at 60 FPS. You can just play at 60 FPS on this 4-year-old phone. So it is very great. And if you don't know, I am using Atom OS on this ROM. There are many other ROMs which runs really great than this ROM. As you guys saw that we can run really great on this ROM. Like, this PUBG performance is very good on this phone. So guys, that's it for now. And if you don't know, this is the KF Mark Animal and this is the Magix module. You can just install the Magix module on this. Okay, so guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, go check them out. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit the like button. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.